Okay, so I wound back what I did in the last video back to very much the same. The only thing I've left in is this input so we can change the title that we're putting in here. So this time, instead of, oh, I didn't quite remove everything, there we are. Instead of changing the position of the text, we're going to change the number of stars. So we're going to use a similar technique, but I'm actually going to add to this. I'm going to put an extra argument in here, and that's going to be our symbol. And that's so we can change it from a star to something else. And I'm going to make it default to be the star. So if I don't enter anything in here, then it's going to use stars. But I'm going to actually run it with, I don't know, minuses. So that, notice I put them in the same order, so text first, then the symbol. That way I can see that it's working. So this one I want to get the number of border lines or stars or symbols of the right length. So we're going to do this sort of same thing as before, but this time all I need to know is how long the text is. So equals length of text. Because I don't need to do hards, I don't have to do any complicated maths. So I'll start with the border, just equaling nothing. And then I'm going to do a for loop. Again, and we're going to just say that the border is equal to border. Sorry. That right, plus my symbol. And so that should build up my border. And then all I need to do is, once I've done that, tell it to print my border. Put that in brackets. And again, print border here. And let's run this. Do title. Okay, it's told me there's an error. It's talking about within this function, and it's saying print border. Oh, I misspelled it. Let's try that again. Cool. Okay, I've misspelled it twice. That was, maybe I spelled it right, I don't know. English is not my subject. There we are. So it's got the minus signs that I put in there. Let's put the title, it's got the same length. I could leave this out entirely. And it will do default of stars. Looking good.